ready to unlock a whole new world of conversation. Today's deep dive is all about mastering English speaking
Ooh, fun.
with the help of some seriously cool apps.
Nice.
Now, you're already working on your English conversation skills, right?
That's right.
So we're going beyond basic vocab drills. We're going to explore 5 apps that each have something really unique to offer.
Awesome.
So we've got chatbots, connections with native speakers, and even AI-powered pronunciation training. We're going to find out which app might be your perfect language partner.
All right. I'm excited.
Whether you're aiming for that flawless pronunciation, craving those real-world chats, or just want to, have some fun while learning.
Yeah, learning should be fun, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, first up is EWA English. Have you heard of this one?
I have.
What really stands out to me about EWA is their focus on conversational learning.
Mm.
They use chatbots.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be honest, I used to be a little skeptical about chatbots for language learning.
Yeah, I get that.
But EWA's chatbots, they're designed to simulate actual conversations, like you'd have in real life.
That's cool.
They cover all sorts of topics.
Oh, nice.
And you can choose the difficulty level that suits you. So it's a really good way to ease into speaking practice, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. You can get comfortable expressing yourself without that pressure of talking to a real person right away.
Right. But sometimes you do want that real human connection.
For sure.
And that's where HelloTalk comes in.
I love HelloTalk.
This app connects you with, wait for it, native English speakers
Wow.
from all over the world.
That's so cool.
It's all about language exchange. So you're helping someone learn your language
Uh-huh.
while they're helping you with English.
I love that.
And get this, HelloTalk has voice and video calls.
Wow. So you can have actual conversations.
Real-time conversational practice. Isn't that amazing?
That's awesome.
Like, imagine having a spontaneous chat with someone in Australia about their favorite surfing spot, or discussing, I don't know, the latest music trends with a new friend in Canada.
That would be incredible.
It just adds a whole other level of immersion.
Absolutely. Real-time feedback, exposure to those natural speech patterns. You can't beat that.
Exactly. But what if you want to focus specifically on your pronunciation?
Oh, good point.
For that, we've got Elsa Speak. This app uses some really cool AI technology
Oh.
to analyze your speech and give you personalized feedback. It's almost like having a dedicated pronunciation coach right in your pocket.
I love that. It's like a pocket-sized pronunciation coach, always there to help you sound more confident.
Right. Elsa can help you catch those tiny pronunciation errors that can, sometimes make it harder to be understood.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Okay, so we've talked about practicing on your own and connecting with native speakers.
Right?
But some people, they really thrive in a more structured learning environment.
Yeah, I can see that.
And for them, we have Cambly.
Cambly.
Cambly connects you with, guess what? Native English tutors for one-on-one sessions.
Ah, I see.
I think this can be so beneficial if you like that structured approach.
Yeah, absolutely. For some people, that structure and accountability is key, and Cambly provides that.
Exactly. It's about building that rapport with a tutor
Yeah.
who can really get to know your strengths and weaknesses, tailor lessons to your needs.
It's like having a personal language coach guiding you towards fluency.
Exactly. And that consistent feedback from a real person, it can really help you improve quickly.
It definitely can.
Okay, last but not least, we have the AI powerhouse, ChatGPT.
Ooh, ChatGPT.
Now, ChatGPT offers something truly unique.
Mm-hmm.
It's like having a readily available, super adaptable conversation partner, available anytime.
I like that.
Imagine this, you're brainstorming a presentation in English,
Okay.
or you're practicing for a job interview,
Right.
and you're doing it all with an AI that can give you feedback on your language use and grammar.
That is perfect for independent learning, isn't it?
It is. It's like having, a 247 English buddy to bounce ideas off of.
It's like having a 247 English buddy.
So we've explored 5 really different apps,
Yeah, a really diverse range.
each with their own approach to conversational English.
Choosing the right one for you, it really comes down to your individual learning style and goals. And of course, your budget too.
Right. Like EWA and ChatGPT, those are great for self-paced practice, right?
Yeah, if you like flexibility and you maybe feel a little more comfortable practicing on your own at first.
Exactly. Then you've got HelloTalk, which is all about those real-world interactions and cultural exchange.
Mhm.
And then there's Elsa Speak, which is laser-focused on pronunciation.
Right, right.
And Cambly, that provides that structured learning experience with the personalized feedback from a dedicated tutor.
That's right.
So, as you think about your own learning journey, what stands out to you?
You know what I think is really cool? You
Right.
don't have to limit yourself to just one.
That's true.
You can use a combination of these apps to create your own truly personalized learning experience.
Absolutely. Use what works best for you, and never forget, fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about having the confidence to communicate and connect with others.
Yes, exactly.
Find the app or apps that spark your enthusiasm, the ones that make you excited to practice. And you'll be amazed at how quickly your confidence grows.
And hey, as your confidence grows, you might even find yourself wanting to help others on their English speaking journeys too.
Right? I love that.
There are so many ways to connect and learn together. The possibilities are really endless.
They are.